Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. You want to protect your beautiful display, so it is very important you get a screen protector once you get your phone. This screen protector is the Spigen GlasTR Easy Fit Screen Protector. I have been using these screen protectors from Spigen for a few years now on a few different products too. Different phones and tablets. They work great, they easy to install, and Spigen makes some great cases, but also some great screen protectors. So we'll definitely get into it, review it. We will see how easy it is to install. You can get this from Amazon. I will have links in the description. But nice presentation from Rinky. It says perfect fit over here. But let's see what you get in this box. It does have tape on it, but, you know, let me see. All right, so let's see what you get in here. There's a bunch of stuff in here. I can tell you that now. So you get two screen protectors. You get this little book that says 3D technology. And here I bet there is, you get a lens cleaner, so alcohol wipes, how to remove the bubbles. It gives you dust removers here. You also get the squeegee. So it's cool that you get two in case you mess up, so yeah. But let's get into it. First thing I always do is turn off the phone. All right, so the phone is off. So the first thing you want to do is get your wipe. And guess what you're going to do? Wipe the phone. Rocket science, I know. Now, if I speed this up, it's just because I don't want y'all to see me wipe a phone for a while. Microfiber cloth, wipe it off. Make sure it's dry. Dust remover. This is a very important step. You want to make sure you get the dust off of it here. You don't want any dust bubbles. Once you got the dust bubbles off, then you take your little guide here and it tells you top part. All right, so the first thing you want to do is move this back piece. Then make sure you put the top to the top of the phone. And you want to slide in for 30 seconds, back and forth. Don't rush this process, just do it. Listen to Spigen. Even if you want to do it at the tops over here. Make sure that you have it on the phone. Then what you want to do is remove it from the bottom to the top. And then you just take the thing off, the guide. Then the last step, and you might have some bubbles. The last step, you just take this off. And you can tell I have some bubbles, so what I'm gonna do is take my squeegee and work the bubbles off. Like I said, big bubbles, little bubbles, they all will disappear within 24 hours if you can't get everyone off. If you can't get all the bubbles out of the screen, do not fear. But I think this looks good. And Spigen with the little design there, they make it pretty easy to do. And look at that installation. But let's turn the power back on. Now I do have a little bubble there, but that will disappear. And there's no other bubbles on this display. Look at that. It goes from pretty much this end all the way to this end, and at the top you can tell. And if you want to know, the touch sensitivity is easy. It works great. No problems there. So the touch sensitivity is great. Nice, and it looks great on here. So if you want to pick up this screen protector, I will have it in the description below from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForrestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.